Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by changing how you charge every day for longer battery life. Keep your phone charged between 20% and 80% whenever practical to reduce wear. Avoid keeping your phone plugged in overnight at 100% regularly because that stresses the battery. Use an original manufacturer charger or a reputable 18W to 30W USB PD charger to ensure stable current. Enable any built-in optimized charging features to slow charge overnight and reduce time at 100%. Adjust your phone settings to cut major sources of drain every day. Set screen brightness near 30% and enable adaptive brightness to match ambient light. Choose a 60 Hz refresh rate or lower when smooth motion is not necessary. Turn off background app refresh for non-essential apps to prevent constant network use. Disable unused sensors like Bluetooth, NFC, and location when you do not need them. Restrict high battery use apps and remove unnecessary widgets from your home screens. Protect your battery by controlling environment and maintenance routines consistently. Avoid exposing your phone to temperatures below 32 degrees F or above 95 degrees F to prevent permanent capacity loss. Limit full discharge cycles and try to recharge more frequently rather than draining completely. Calibrate the battery once every 3 months by charging to full then discharging to near 20%. Close or uninstall misbehaving apps and install operating system updates to receive battery improvements. Consider replacing battery after capacity drops below 80% for reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.